Hello and welcome back to the Drytis tutorial series. And in this short video I need to share with you something. Okay, so for example, you are an engineer, you are a new joinee, you have joined the platform recently. Okay, but at first your TM might tell you that you need to create the project in your studio first, and after that you will be assigned with task or projects. So for example, I have created this project on my own, okay, which is actually I am the admin of this project because I have created this in my studio. Let me show you. For example, if I am going to studio start, yeah, let me go here. Yeah, here it is. So, so first what I will do, I'll simply go here and I will click on create project, and this interface will pop up, and I will create the project. Okay, for example, I have completed the project, and this is the project I was working on. Now I have created a project, but you being an engineer, you're not supposed to click on this request. Okay, that means you are an engineer. You're working on your task, which is not actually a paid task, but you are working on because you have been requested to create any project. But you're not supposed to click on this Lifeguard request because you are an engineer, so you can't raise the request of your project and assign it to other engineers. So make sure that while you're creating the project, if you're working on the client task or if you're with your own project, don't click on this option. Okay, because it will be assigned to other engineers, and they will accept it from their end and they will work on your project, but you are yourself an engineer, so that's why it's not required to do. Hope you got it. Thank you so much for your time. We will uh, see you another video and further details and another video. Thank you so much for your precious time.